And we're back on Apex TV UG, and right about now tuliku Signature Premium Nino Mwami Izemo Ogambo cha papa
Jendi ogamba chi
Nikiria Izemo waddo obulidde wabulirawa
nali natambula muko omanyi in life emikiso jigezaako one or two, you know, utambula muko kale nononya ku mikisa wegiri, you try to look for the fertile ground okitegera. Yeah,
abantu bobadde okuba omuziki babadde bakusubwa obayinirayo ki in stock? What do you have for them in stock?
In stock bingi, segenda kulimba bingi, you know. I have a new project out with Tone Fame. It's called Don Dada, you know. Video might be out next week. I'm not yet sure about it. Nenga ndia umbikwasaganya.
So should we expect you to be back for good or China more kuzungu okutinitini?
No, I'm not back for good. I'm around for 2 months, then nzileyo. But in common back bamere linyani lisigala oliga senekolaji. Yeah. Then after some time iranja kuda, something like that. Yeah.
Ebbanga lyomaze nga toliwo bana chibo olaba kye bakola n'ogamba ya ono mwana kyakoze gye kiri?
Abana bangi bendabye, by the way. Bana bangi. People like Reggie, Gion, Omega, T-Paul. Abana bangi bebana kale nze benda bangayizemu abakikubyeko biri byennyini okitegera. Yeah.
Okay, njagala ogambe abantu omwana yenna ali ayagala okuyimba, omwana ayagala okuyingira industry ya music, omugambe challenges n'ebirungi ebikirimu.
Kati nze advice jemba abayimbi naddala aba western music tebamufuula business okitegera, bafune ebintu ebirala bye bakola ebbali emabbali eyo balyoke bakole music. Nti abayimba basinga basiba bebase basiba mu studio batambula kiro of which western market ya music ntini nnyo, nti newoba ofunye show erimu amakulu mu myezi 5 oyinza ogifunamu omulundi gumu n'oba otagifuna, you understand? So nze mbagamba nti they start up something bakirize oba babakozese nenga osobola okufuna kadaka supplementing nga music wo notalabika bubimba fani bo. Yeah.
Akaseera kobuze n'omukyala Meva abadde abuliridde wamutwala wamuwansa wamutwalawo omwana waffe.
Meva mwana byali byakola bo nga obimanyi. No, Meva sitwalina kintu kyonna kiri awo intact. No, bisigako bibuuza kyali wange oli gwomanyi siize.
Izemo ntokuba yabikonde tujja kufuna mu Meva atunnyonnyole. Izemo oli mufumbo olina omukazi kiki ekiriwo abaana bawala bakwesunze bakwepikira?
Siri mufumbo nenga nina omwana. My son is 6 years now. Ne mama wesi byatambula bulungi, so ate nga ntambuddemukko, you understand? Yeah, currently I'm single. Nesi searching? No, I'm not searching. Kuba era kati mu Uganda nimu emyezi 2 nebwe nfuna omuntu nimulimba ngenda muddamu mulekewo for some good years, so it makes no sense to me. Yeah. So
you've put relationships aside for now?
Yeah, relationship aside. Yeah.
Strictly business, hustle,
you know. Omanyi bw'oba otambuddeku eyo, honestly oranga in a different world, orabanga buli kimu kiri so different, the way people make money, the way people ideate, you know. Ochilanga butufu you wasted some time before. Now this is the time I'm not supposed to waste time. You get my point? This is the time I'm supposed to do something because kadi musajja mukulu siza kunsanga ate mbuntu tuwe butyo okitegera. Yeah, that's my point.
Okay, all of us that love Izemo, he says he has a lot in stock for us. He's releasing Don Dada. That's what I heard. I hope I heard right. Yeah. Let's wait. I hope it's going to be massive.
It's a massive dancehall music, you know. It's a massive dancehall track.
Thank you so much for honoring Apex TV.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to host me, you know. Big up on yourself.
Thank you so much. That was Izemo at Signature Premium. Till next time, there.